So this is day 4. The sun is rising and we are inside the tent.
Hi bro.
We are enjoying the climate and everything. Sagar, यता न सरलोको उताले त मलाई लास्टै जाडो भएको छ। अनि बिहान पख भइसकेको छ यता। हामी बल्ल उठ्यौं हो किन? अनि आज डे 4 हो। गाउँतिर रमाइलो भइराछ। टक्कसँग सनराइज भयो।
सनराइज आएको देख्दैन?
देखा पो।
देखा?
पहिले देखिसके जनताहरुले।
हावा पनि नआउने टेन्ट दामी ल्याइमा हामीले
चिसो चिसो
चिसो अरे के भयो चिसो तलाई
जाडो भएर
त्यस्तो त हैन टेन्ट भरि खासै राम्रो छ तर यसले भनेको के चिसो हो तलाई
जाडो हो
हामी त सुतिमै खासा छ राम्रै छ टेन्ट हावा नछिर्ने शीतनी नछिर्ने तर
यस्तो 1 घण्टा सुत्न त अब राम्रो छ यमा 2 घण्टा सुत्नु पर्यो भने त हुन्न
अप्ठ्यारो पर्यो त्यो त त्यही हो त्यो 1 घण्टा सुत्ने जो हामीले त्यो जो सल्लाह गरेर ल्याएको यहाँ अब गाउँका केटाहरु हाम्रो भाइहरु अब भित्र आइहाल्यो अब त्यस्तै भर्यो त्यो अरु जाडो हैनलाई नत्र नि त सजिलो थियो We are now moving towards Bhingri again and from there we'll be going to Pokhara. Tomorrow we'll be starting to Pokhara and actual trip. So we are all set to go. Bhai malai. So let's go. Now we are going towards this path. So heading towards Bhingri, then to Pokhara. Okay. After we are going to Bhingri now, again we need to go downhill so long. From here we cannot see Bhingri, but yeah, we'll be going. People in here, के बुटो रे? तिनी के बुटा रे? सल्लो सल्लो पुरै सल्ला छ चुत्रो खाइराख यिनीहरूलाई चुत्रो कस्तो हुन्छ नि त अब यहाँदेखि झर्ने हामी झर्दैछौँ झरिहाल्छन् पादैन न माला पोम्बो नाला इस्यान छ एरङ्गम्बो इस्यारका ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾದ சொல்லுங்க
Loota? Loot is okay.
You can walk, right?
This is Chakdara.
यो त चाकदारा आइपुग्यौँ हैन In this way, the jeeps will travel, jeeps, bike, everything will travel in this way. So this will be a little bit easy, but we'll not take this route. We'll take this route because if we are going by that route, it will take a long time, and we are going by walk to experience the trekking feel. So we'll take this route now, and we need to go so far. Still, let's go.
No rest place for 5 minutes. Rest अब ओराल झदरको प्लास्टिक
ल एकछिन बस्न मन गर्यो
ओरालको सफरलाई अलि खुट्टा दुख्छ भनेर चाहिँ रेस्ट गर्दैछ
Okay. ल most of the places we can see this trees. This is people and this is boar. Like someone what they will be doing, they will be planting these trees and they will grow them and like this is female and this is male, so they both will be they'll be arranging a marriage for these two, right?
Oh yeah.
So they'll be arranging marriage for these two plant and they will put something like this here, this one tradition, because if you do this they believe that you get a shadow in heaven and you get you get to go to heaven, not to the hell. So this one culture here we are taking rest for sometimes. It will give you shade. People who are all climbing from down also sit here for sometimes. They feel good. So everyone are getting experienced, and they are walking very well actually. They are not tired or they are not taking much rest. They are walking freely and they are feeling good to walk. Isn't it, Bharat? You are not feeling hard to walk, you are feeling good to walk, right?
Yeah, it is really good to walk.
So we are having completely different experience here. Walking through new road. Better to say no road. Not new road. Walking through no road. Anna. Anna. Anna கூப்பிட்டா வேணா என்ன அண்ணா வேணா போகே உங்களை தான் எப்படி வரும்போது நல்லா இருந்ததா இப்போ போகும்போது நல்லா இருக்கா?
போகும்போது நல்லா இருக்கு.
ஈஸியாக இறங்கிடலாம்ல?
ஈஸியா இருக்கு.
ஆனால் வரப்போ ரொம்ப முன்னாடி போனீங்களேண்ணா நீங்கள் தான்.
இப்போ எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்கன்னு கேக்குறாங்கண்ணா. சூப்பர், நல்லா இருக்கு.
எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரே வார்த்தையா?
बहुत अच्छा.
So everyone are having different experience and we are walking. This is the way we will be going down this hill and again we'll be going to Hungary. यो चाहिँ नाङमदार हो. नाङमदारदेखि हामी भिङ्ग्री गइरहेछौँ र आज भिङ्ग्री गएर भोलि फेरि पोखराको लागि निक्लिने. जस्ट ट्रान्सलेट इन इङ्ग्लिस. अभी अयो आध हिंदी just now we are going to Bhingri, and once we reach Bhingri then we'll be starting to Pokhara tomorrow. So hopefully we'll reach Bhingri safely via this road. See you in Bhingri guys, bye bye. आमला छ र आमला ल्याएर यस माधव.
Yes.
Amla.
Yes.
So amla are very small. Why amla are very small?
This is Nepali amla. Very tasty. Take it all for you.
என்னண்ணா கிலோ பாருங்க. What happened? சாப்பிட முடியலையா? புளிப்பா பிட்டரா? पुलिप रिच रिभर. अब खोला आइसक्यौँ. खोला तरेर खोलालाई इङ्ग्लिसमा के भन्छ त? खोलालाई इङ्ग्लिसमा के भन्छ भन्नुहोस् न? Stream.
Yeah.
Okay. If it is big, that is river.
No.
Then what is river?
River is a river. This is a river.
This is Don Khola. So we are crossing this Don Khola. Once we cross this Don Khola, they will be very straight. If there is no ups and downs, it will be a single stretch and we'll be reaching Bhingri by almost 5, I guess. Let's cross this river. We are resting here now for sometimes. After sometimes we will be reaching Bhingri.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Look at him. He is so much drunk today. So let's cover them. Tractor is coming. Some tractor.
I'm not drunk, bro.
But you look like drunk. Why? Why is that so?
I'm feeling so sad. That's why.
Sad about what?
Because we travel long way.
So local people are going in truck like this. Let me see them. We are resting. We'll be walking for some time and we'll be reaching Bhingri. खोलासम्म आइसक्यौँ मैले. We have reached river. That bridge we need to cross. So if you can see in this image, that bridge we'll be crossing and we'll be in Bhingri. So at last, by end of the day, we are reaching the Bhingri. Sun has already set. I cannot see the sun, so I cannot show sunset. Sorry, but yes, we have reached Bhingri. Almost near, not reached completely, but about to reach. What happened, bro? walk. And how was it?
It's nice. Sound is nice.
Sound. This is the first time you are listening to river sound, or?
No.
But
it's nice, soothing to hear.
This climate and everything. Everyone is so much exhausted and we are going. We have reached this bridge. We'll be crossing this bridge and we'll be going to Bhingri. And the rest of the people are walking here, coming. So I have come first, so I am taking rest for some times.
Finally we reached.
Yes, of course.
We reached. Bye.
Don't have energy to shake hand also, right? Yes. Yeah. I'll take it just a minute. Madhav, can you please give me a way? No, it's a front camera. This river is very big actually. We can see it is a shallow water, but deep down it is so deep. Hoy bena. कैसे? Janus.
Who need a photo?
Bharat, you want me to take photo? Yes, we will take. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll just cover this bridge and then I will take. Don't worry. This is the hotel where we used to have dinner most of the time, and we are having our snacks right now. It's snacks time. So we have reached hotel. This is not house, but we will be going to house next. We are just having snacks. Idli, Indian food. We can find idli here as well. Chutney and also sambar she will be giving. In Bhingri. Yes, everything. So,
Come join us.
Bharat, you can join here itself. Why are you sitting alone? You can have idli in Bhingri. Idli in Bhingri.
Okay,
It's coming as timing. We expected that we'll reach before sunset, but we reached at night. Somehow we'll be taking rest today in home. Then we'll be starting for our trip tomorrow. Kakkachua kakkara yo. Paadunga Anna paadunga yarna orthar paadunga takunu. Night time nalla irukku. Sama chillnu irukla. சொல்லுங்கண்ணா
தெரியலடா லிரிக்ஸ் மறந்து போச்சுடா திடீர்னு கேட்டா எப்பறா வரும் bro please sing tum hi ho please
tum hi ho ab tum come on bro
hey
போனா
இல்ல இப்ப வீட்டுக்கு போய் தூங்கிக்கோ இல்ல தூங்கிக்கோ போய் hey anyone sing song
நம்மளே ஏமாத்த பாத்திட்டாரு பாத்தீங்களா
யாரு
பாலாஜினா நம்மளே ஏமாத்த பாத்திட்டாரு பாத்தீங்களா
என்னாச்சு
காசு தான்
ஆமாடா
சாப்பிட்டு ஒரு 4 நூடுல்ஸ்க்கு
டீடைலா கேக்கணும் எது பிரைஸ் கேது
கரெக்ட்
4 இட்லி அதுல என்னென்ன போட்டீங்க அரிசி உளுந்து வேற ஏமாத்தல மறந்துட்டாரு இப்போ ரெண்டு கணக்கு
Finally we reached our home. So tired. Good night guys. See you tomorrow.